Hey, what's up? It's Ezra here from EzSlate.com. Quick video, just tell you guys what I'm up to, and maybe you'll find this is a good opportunity for you as well. And we're gonna be talking about digital assets really quick, cryptocurrencies, if you will. You probably heard of Bitcoin. It's one of the more popular ones, but in my opinion, it's dying off um, with the halving and miners not being compensated for their hard work. A lot of them are going out of business because they just can't keep up with it. It just doesn't make sense for them number wise. And it's becoming more centralized too. Some people would argue that, but uh, I've I've done some research and I found that the majority of the farms are in the mining farms are in China. So, and I've heard of that they could do a 51% attack on the network and basically kill the confidence in that system. So I've only been, really diving deep into the whole cryptocurrency thing for like a month now, maybe 2 months, but I'm pretty certain that this one right here, XRP, is going to be the one you want to pick up, and maybe some stellar lumens too. Um, the main reason why I say go with it is because of all the partnerships that they've created. If you go to their website, you'll see where they're at with the partnerships. They've got, I don't know how many banks, I couldn't tell you. But they've got tons of banks and different companies and all kinds of stuff that they're partnering up with that are using their software, and then their software uses the digital asset XRP. So it's a lot of people, myself included, think that this is gonna jump up to $5-10 maybe by the end of this year, and in the next 2 or 3 years that's gonna go up significantly, maybe in the hundreds, 200s. So I've got myself a nice bag. If you want to get one, now is a good time. I've also heard rumors that, and these rumors are coming from these people on Twitter. I follow a bunch of them, but some of them who are pretty deep in this, they've been in there for like 2-3 years. They're thinking that the XRP is going to drop down to 5 cents, maybe like sub 10, but sub 10 sometime soon. So that means wait a little bit, maybe you can get in there and get a ton of coins for really cheap. And then on the plus side, they're saying that it could go up to 589 per per asset, per coin or whatever. So one XRP right now you can get it for 21 cents. Maybe next year it'll be worth $100. Who knows? 2,000 I've heard. So if you want to become a millionaire, get yourself 2 or 3 thousand of these coins, and you might be doing all right next year. It's definitely possible too. Don't think it isn't, because look at Bitcoin. Way back when Bitcoin was just getting started, where was it at? Barely even a cent. People were picking it up for under 5 cents, and then $100, and now look, it's 9,000. People are still buying it at 9,000. So anything's possible in 2020. It's been a wild, it's been a wild year. So don't put anything off. But yeah, definitely do your own research. I'm pretty, as they say, bullish on XRP. I've got some stellar lumens also. And another thing I want to talk a little bit on is like their logos. I think and I believe that like the Illuminati and all that stuff is probably real, and symbolism is a big thing. And these coins right here both have some esoteric symbolism in them, or I don't know how you say it, but this one is like the as above so below concept, and this one is like the Saturn, the rings of Saturn. If you think of like cube worship, Chainlink is another one. It's got the cube worship going. So I've never really talked about that on this channel, but I am really interested in that, like Illuminati and esoteric stuff. So anyway, that's it. Just wanted to let you know what I'm up to, and if you guys want to get involved, now might be a good time to do it. This isn't financial advice, obviously. Gotta give you the little warning and all that stuff. So just do your own research and go from there. Peace.